girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Baby,
so damn important. Everything you do shows me you know it. Behind it all, you are the motive. Don't tell you enough, but baby, I'll show it, show it. Say the king where we come from. Baby, I'm queen, so no one. So baby, I'ma drive it like the
up everyone, it's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Wiggins Hair, and it's been a little while since I worked with Wiggins, but they are one of my personal favorite companies. Like, I would say for sure Wiggins Hair is in my top 3 favorite hair companies. I absolutely love them. They always give me like really good quality units, and I'm really impressed by today's unit because when I say this unit is literal perfection, it is everything you could ever want in a unit. The first thing that just stood out to me right off the bat was the hairline. This unit comes so perfectly pre-plucked. I cannot stress that enough. If you do not know how to pluck, if you have had bad experiences over plucking your units, plucking holes in your lace, or just not plucking it enough and it still looks too thick, this is going to be the perfect unit for you. They plucked this unit so good. I don't even know if I could pluck a unit this good. It was done so well. The other thing that I loved about it is the fact that the knots were bleached to perfection as well. I love how natural this unit looked right out of the packaging. The knots are very tiny on this unit. You don't see them whatsoever. And that's so important when you want to go for a more natural look, because there's a lot of companies who do pre-pluck their units, but you can still see the knots because the knots are so big. But the knots in this unit are really tiny, and it just gives you like the most flawless install. You can choose to do baby hairs or you can choose to install this without. It's completely up to you. And the lace is real HD lace. A lot of companies claim that they have HD lace, but you can always tell the difference. Like, instantly it's gonna look like it's melting into your skin. And when it's not HD lace, you can usually see a huge line of demarcation in the unit. Whether you use foundation or not, you can still see it. So that's one of the things that I love about this unit, is that everything that they claim is true. And the other thing that's like really important to me is the fit. The fit of a unit is so important because I do have a smaller head, and this unit actually comes in a small size. So if you have a larger head, you can definitely go for the larger sizes, but I love the fact that they actually have a small unit available, because a lot of people have like a medium to a large size head. And I love the fact that like the strap that's in this unit, like the adjustable elastic band that you can like hook in and take out, I love the fact that it doesn't just slip right out. Sometimes with other units that tends to slip out, and it's so annoying. I literally hate when that happens because you just have to keep like trying to put it in, and then sometimes it's uncomfortable. So I like the fact that even though it's in, I don't feel it. It's not uncomfortable. It's not slipping out. The hard, like, you know, pieces that you like hook in, I don't feel that underneath. So that's just like perfect. And I like the placement of it too. They placed it a little further back because some of the companies put it like way up here, and it doesn't do what they think it's gonna do. So I like the placement of that. And it also has the adjustable straps in the very back as well. So I love that. And I didn't even have to crisscross my straps. I always have to crisscross my straps in the back. So that's how I know this is definitely a real like small unit. That's how I know this is for sure like my perfect fit. So I love that about it. So let's get into the actual hair itself. This is a loose deep wave texture. If you guys are wondering what texture this is, it's so pretty, and I like the fact that it's more, I love this type of texture because this texture is going to be on the lower maintenance side. When it comes to curly hair, I love a good curly unit. You guys know this about me. I love curly hair, but one of the things that I hate with curly hair is when it's like shedding all over the place, or when it's just like too much and it's like it's getting tangled up too much, especially in the very back. That's what tends to happen with a lot of units. But when the hair is like too curly, it's just more prone to tangling. But something like this, you don't have to worry about it tangling up on you, matting up on you. You still want to make sure that you're on top of it as far as like, you know, just the maintenance, making sure you're brushing it, making sure that you're not just like sleeping on it and not really taking care of your hair. You want to still take care of it, but it requires less attention than like a kinky curly or a jerry curly texture. And I love just how beautiful it looks without any product on it. I don't have any curl creams, mousse, nothing. The only thing that I have in my hair right now is a little water. There is no conditioner in here. This is just regular water, and this is how the hair turned out. Mind you, right outside of the box, okay? I love the fact that these units are just like ready to go right out of the box. If you are a beginner, this is like the perfect time to get a unit, because I remember when I first was starting to do like installs, it was so many different steps that it took to get a look like this. And the fact that like you're saving yourself a lot of money and time with units that have everything done for you, and the actual quality of the hair is fire. Like, it's just a win-win-win all across the board. I have no complaints whatsoever with this unit. And this is a lace frontal unit, so I do currently have this in the 13x4, but this same texture does also come in a 5x5. They also have, I believe, a 13x6 available, and the density for this one is 180% density, but you can definitely go up in the density. I believe you can get up to 250% density, and also it does have multiple lengths as well. This unit is even available in a 30-inch if you want something longer than what I have, because this is just, you know, standard 24-inch. And it's just like the perfect length for me. I'm not mad at it whatsoever. It's just so pretty, and just like, it's perfect everyday hair. It's perfect for any occasion. And like I said, I really love the lace in this unit. It just melted so perfectly. The only thing that I did as far as like the lace is just put a little bit of this foundation on there, but I didn't even have to like put any concealer in my part. And you guys know I typically always put concealer in my part, so the fact that I didn't have to do that either, it's just like, this unit is like literal chef's kiss. And it is on the, and Wiggins just will not let you down. I also like the free goodies that we got today. We got a cute silk pink bonnet, so if you don't have a bonnet, they provide that for you. You get a wig cap, you get a melting band, you get a baby hair brush, and what else you get? You also get a cute pink scrunchie, so if you just want to like put your hair up in a ponytail, they have that available for you as well. So they have everything in here, everything you can need, literally. I feel like the moment that companies start putting like makeup and makeup brushes in the actual packaging, it's really gonna be over. It's just gonna be over. Like, if you don't know how to install your unit, girl, it's just so easy to do. And I did shave my lace with a razor. That's like the key to like making your unit look like flawless as far as like the install. I'm gonna come up closer so you guys can see what I'm saying. Here's an up close look at this lace, y'all. Do you see what I'm saying? It just looks so flawless. It just looks so flawless. It looks so bomb. Like, this looks like it's literally coming out of my scalp. Like, they did their big one. It's not over bleached anywhere. It's literally bleached perfectly. Like I said, the knots are really tiny on here, so that's what's giving us like this more natural. The natural look that we have going on here is literally because the knots are just like so tiny. And I made sure that when I, you know, did this part, like I kind of exposed some more of that just to kind of give it a little something extra. But yeah, I just put a little bit of baby hairs in there. You don't have to do it. But yeah, that is the parting space here, you guys. And yeah, I absolutely love, love, love this. This is so bomb. And then the texture, like, look how pretty these curls are. Like, are you kidding me? Yeah, I'm feeling this. And then the best part about like a texture like this is that like when you wash it, because I haven't washed it, like I said, this is straight out of the packaging, but when you wash it, it's gonna look even better. And I like how flat it is at the top. It's like more straight at the top, and then you have the waves. That's what's gonna give you like a more like flat looking unit. I didn't have to use like a hot comb or anything. It's nice and flat. There's not a bunch of little hairs everywhere, no flyaways, nothing crazy like that. And yeah, it's just a no-brainer. I really like this one. Shout out to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending this over to me. I absolutely love it. I highly, highly recommend it. Like I said, this does come in multiple cap sizes. So even though I am a small, they do have this in medium sizes as well. They have, you know, they have it available for the big head girls out there. Because a lot of times people ask me like, is a big head friendly? But I always mention that I have like a small head. So it's like, you know, I'm gonna get, when I order these units, I order a small specifically because of my head size. So I can't really answer that because it's not meant for like big heads. But they do have like wigs available on their site for people who have larger heads. So don't worry, okay? Because I know some girls are probably out there like, girl, with my head big, I ain't gonna be able to fit a small. They have other sizes available for you. And if you want something shorter, longer, fuller, they have that available for you as well. If you want to go for a closure rather than a lace front, they have that available as well in this exact same hair texture. So there's that. And then definitely check out Wiggins and check out some of the other units that they have available on their site. Like I said, they're one of my top three favorite hair companies, okay? And I am gonna be doing a video very soon letting you guys know specifically who's my #1 company I'm gonna be breaking it down, you know, who are my favorite companies and why, because I review so much hair and I know a lot of people probably want to know like who's my favorite. You know, I have to let y'all know my face. So if you're interested in that, make sure you stay tuned, turn on your post notification bell, make sure you drop a comment down below, let me know how you're feeling about today's video, today's look, let me know. And also don't forget to like the video. Liking the video helps me out a ton, so make sure you like the video, and I will see. Shout out to Wiggins Hair once again for sponsoring today's video. Shout out to all of you guys for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.